my hallelujah came and it went. Dead men walking, they don't pay the rent.
Oh shit. Ouch. Hi buds. Hit that one a little hard, eh buddies? Hey, wanna come out and run? Holy moly. Now that was a hell of a hole. Holy man! How the heck did I lose that? Oh shoot! I better go around that on the way back. Stayed straight there. That was a pretty brutal hit. That's the way she goes. Yeah, you having fun, eh, bud? Born to run, that boy. Couple months. It's good to have a little ride every now and then. good enough. Start her up. Little stove I got for Christmas. Some designs on the side. There's a duck on that side, and a fish on that side. Probably can't see it. Probably see it better there. Really nice. Super simple. It's perfect for the side-by-side. Perfect for the snowmobile. Hopefully we catch some fish this weekend and we do a little shore lunch on there. But that's the plan. Absolutely beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta get out of the city. A couple hours, make a nice fire in the bush, take the dogs for a walk or a run, slap a steak on there, and life is good again. Simple things. It's that easy. Especially during the winter blues. Some of the hardest times of the year coming up. Nature always solves that though. But yeah, this new little stove I got, it definitely works pretty good. Just gotta make sure you have the wood positioned right, otherwise it just snuffs itself out at the bottom, I find. Just put it there, it's got no way to breathe. You stack it like this, it works really well though, which I really like. I use this thing all the time. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna slap a marinated. I had a sirloin in the freezer, so I marinated that. Made my own marinade, and a little bit too long, but I'm sure it's gonna be tasty regardless, especially over an open fire. What you doing, buddy? Your paw's sore yet, eh? Big lazy dog. There, you're gonna burn yourself. Come on, phone. I better give you guys a piece of steak too. These good puppies. But yeah, so it's got this grill top you can remove like this. 2 slots in there with a handle. You just slap it on there, and it's nice size. Like, it's big. So tonight's the first night that I've ever cooked on it. Oh, good puppies. Good puppies. You love your sticks, eh, Kenai? Hey, bud? Loves to run, my boy. Have some baked potatoes that I made last night. Well, actually, fiance made them. I'm just gonna slap those over somewhere to warm them up, kind of thing. Be fine by me. I'll slap the steak on and see how it turns out. It's a big old sirloin, so I have to share that with you guys. Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. That's what we like right there. Beautiful. I love that sound. Nice potatoes, big old steak. It smells, oh, it smells unreal already. Oh yeah. I wanted a little more cold, but that's all right. Potatoes getting a little hot over there. Put those to the edge a little. Good and frozen over now, but we're on the west end, so let's see what happens this weekend. It looks like there's sled tracks on the lake there, so I gotta finish my snowmobile tomorrow night before we come out here this weekend, and we'll be good to go. Oh, buddy. Well, it's tender enough to cut with a plastic knife, so you know that's gonna be darn good. Oh yeah. Come on, Kina. Let's go, bud. Hop up. Oh, you're lazy too, eh? Get out of the way, Maisie. Good boy. Home we go.